Spain hides some of the world's strangest geography, so let's count down 21 unbelievable facts, from weird to the absolute weirdest. Fact 21. Spain is the second most mountainous country in Europe, behind only Switzerland. Around 90% of Spain is covered by mountains or high plateaus, with famous ranges like the Pyrenees, Sierra Nevada, and Cantabrian Mountains. That's one reason Spain has such diverse climates despite being relatively compact. Fact 20. Spain shares a tiny river island with France that changes countries every 6 months. Pheasant Island, located in the Bidasoa River, is jointly administered by both countries. From February to July, it's Spanish, and from August to January, it's French, making it one of the world's oldest examples of shared sovereignty. Fact 19. Spain has the world's shortest international bridge. The tiny bridge connecting Spain and Portugal at El Marco is only about 6 meters, 20 feet long. You can walk from one country to another in just a few seconds. Fact 18. Spain contains continental Europe's only true natural desert. The Tabernas Desert in southern Spain receives so little rainfall that scientists classify it as a genuine desert. Its Mars-like landscape has made it a favorite filming location for countless westerns and Hollywood movies. Fact 17. Spain's highest mountain isn't even on mainland Spain. Mount Tide, rising 3,715 meters, stands on Tenerife in the Canary Islands. It's an active volcano and one of the tallest volcanic structures on Earth when measured from the ocean floor. Fact 16. The Ebro is the longest river entirely inside Spain. Flowing nearly 930 kilometers, the Ebro crosses northern Spain before emptying into the Mediterranean Sea. Its fertile valley has supported agriculture, trade, and civilizations for thousands of years. Fact 15. Spain is one of Europe's most biodiverse countries. Because the country ranges from snowy alpine peaks to Mediterranean coasts, Atlantic forests, wetlands, and deserts, it hosts thousands of plant species and hundreds of bird species, more than almost any other European nation. Fact 14. Europe and Africa are astonishingly close here. At the Strait of Gibraltar, Spain and Morocco are separated by only 14 kilometers, or about 9 miles. On a clear day, you can actually see the mountains of Africa from Spain's southern coast. Fact 13. Spain is one of the world's UNESCO champions. The country boasts 50 UNESCO World Heritage Sites, including ancient Roman aqueducts, medieval cities, Moorish palaces, and breathtaking cathedrals, placing Spain among the nations with the most UNESCO sites on Earth. Fact 12. Spain runs on the wrong time. Geographically, most of Spain belongs in the same time zone as Portugal and the United Kingdom. But since 1940, the country has followed Central European time, making sunsets happen much later than many visitors expect. Fact 11. Spain has one of Europe's largest underground cave systems. The Cave of Nerja stretches for nearly 5 kilometers, containing enormous chambers, prehistoric cave art, and one of the world's largest natural columns. Fact 10. Spain has an incredibly long coastline. Including its islands, Spain's coastline stretches for over 8,000 kilometers. From rugged Atlantic cliffs to calm Mediterranean beaches and volcanic island shores, few countries offer such geographical variety. Fact 9. Northern Spain doesn't look like the Spain you imagine. Galicia is so green, misty, and rainy that it's often called Green Spain. Thanks to moist Atlantic winds, its rolling hills resemble Ireland far more than the dry landscapes many associate with Spain. Fact 8. One of Europe's largest chestnut forests hides in Spain. Near the ancient Roman mining area of Las Medulas, vast forests of centuries-old chestnut trees blanket the landscape, creating spectacular golden scenery every autumn. Fact 7. Spain has Europe's largest saltwater lagoon. The Mar Menor is Europe's largest saltwater lagoon, separated from the Mediterranean by a narrow strip of land called La Manga, creating warm, shallow waters unlike almost anywhere else in Europe. Fact 6. One Spanish village can only be reached by driving through another country. The tiny mountain village of Os de Civis is officially in Spain, yet the only practical road enters through neighboring Andorra because the surrounding mountains make a direct Spanish road nearly impossible. Fact 5. Spain has a river that looks like it's flowing with blood. The Rio Tinto owes its deep red color to extremely high concentrations of iron and naturally acidic water. Its chemistry is so unusual that NASA has studied it as an Earth-based model for conditions that may once have existed on Mars. Fact 4. Spain has an entire town completely surrounded by France. Libya became Spanish centuries ago through a treaty that classified it as a town instead of a village. As a result, it remained Spanish while the surrounding villages became French, creating one of Europe's strangest enclaves. Fact 3. Spain literally became larger in 2021. When the Cumbre Vieja volcano erupted on La Palma, enormous lava flows reached the Atlantic Ocean and cooled into solid rock, creating entirely new land and permanently increasing the island's size. Fact 2. From space, Spain has an unexpectedly geometric shape. Unlike many European countries with jagged coastlines and irregular borders, mainland Spain appears surprisingly compact and almost rectangular from orbit, a shape created by the natural barriers of the Pyrenees, the Atlantic, and the Mediterranean. Fact 1. The weirdest. Spain is the only European country with permanent land borders in Africa. The autonomous cities of Ceuta and Melilla have remained under Spanish control for centuries, with Ceuta becoming Portuguese in 1415 before passing to Spain, and Melilla coming under Spanish rule in 1497. Today, these cities create the only land borders between the European Union and Africa, making them one of the world's most unique geopolitical frontiers and a lasting symbol of the complex history between Spain and Morocco.